How to fix if you are facing Roblox Error Code 429 while trying to join a game. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are facing the frustrating Roblox Error Code 429 while trying to join a game, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through some quick fixes to get you back in game. So, let's dive right in. First, let me clarify that this error is currently an issue from the developer's end, but don't worry, I have few solutions that you can try to resolve it on your side. Open your browser and search for Roblox Windows app. Download and install it on your PC. Once installed, launch the app and try logging it again. This should help you bypass the browser-related issue. If you prefer not installing anything, the second method is to use VPN. I recommend either Proto VPN or Urban VPN. Both of them are free. Here's what you need to do. Download and install your chosen VPN. Connect to server in the USA, UK or Australia. After connecting, refresh the login page and you should be able to log in and join the game. For those playing on mobile, here's a quick tip. When logging in, make sure to use your cellular data instead of Wi-Fi. Once you are logged in and in the game, you can switch back to Wi-Fi. This method has worked for many users, so give it a try. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.